Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disconnecting your phone contacts from your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the homepage. Once on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap Account. In the Account settings, select Contact Syncing. Now you want to tap the toggle to the right of Connect Contacts to turn it off. Tap Disconnect on the pop-up that appears. The toggle will be grey when it is switched off, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.